Okay, YouTube, but today I forget the user's name, but he'll probably end up commenting on this video. He wanted to see more videos of a cold start of my '82 Chevy from inside the cab here. So this is cold. The engine's cold. I just came out and checked the fluids and stuff. It's about 23 degrees outside, I'd say. I don't know how many pumps it's gonna take, but I will give her some pumps. I mean, I don't want to flood it, but I will see what I can do. I threw like 15 bucks in gas in it. So, yeah, I just closed my door so I could talk, but I'll open my door once I start cranking. Backfire. Fired. Dump it. Oop. Come on, girl. Doesn't help you got no choke right now. Come on, girl. Cooperate for daddy. Come on. Come on, girl. She's definitely cold. She's idling on her own. Barely. There she goes. She died. Okay, guys. I think I flooded her. For a few seconds, see if she's gonna stay running. I'm starting right now with absolutely no choke. There we go. Running. She's gonna die. Nope, maybe not. There you go. I forget a YouTube username or I'd say it, but there's your cold start from inside. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, the engine's still cold. Yeah, she's cold. Well, that's her. Please like, comment, and subscribe. More videos to come. Just a little cold out here today. Alright.